Exercise 1. We'll do exercise 1. Please put your mic on mute. We were doing unit 15. Unit 15, pronouns. Right? Unit 15, pronouns. I have explained you this chapter and we have already done exercise 1. I've given you this exercise as homework. So now today we'll discuss it. Right? Underline the pronouns and tell whether they are subject, object or possessive pronoun. So this chair is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. It is already done for you. Now next, we do not eat too many sweets. So we is what?
Subject pronoun.
We is subject.
Pronoun.
Subject
Pronoun.
pronoun. Then, do you have any other pronoun in the sentence? No. So the next is the sun is a star. It gives us heat and light. Excuse me.
Ma'am, it's and us.
It and us.
It and us.
Yes. So it is subject pronoun.
Noun.
Very good.
And us is object pronoun.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Us.
and us is object pronoun.
Excuse me. Us is object pronoun. Right? Don't give this toy. What happened? Don't give this toy to him. It is ours. So here, him is also a pronoun. Don't give this toy to him. Him is pronoun. It is also a pronoun. Ours is also a pronoun. So him is what pronoun?
Is object pronoun.
Object. Very good. Object pronoun.
And ma'am, ours is possessive pronoun.
It is
Subject pronoun.
very good. Subject pronoun. And ours is
Possessive pronoun.
possessive pronoun. The pronoun that is used to show, the noun that is used to show possession. Possessive pronoun. Mummy and I went for shopping. We bought clothes for you. Mummy and we and you.
Yes,
Here, I and we both are subject pronoun. Very. And what is you here? Object. Anybody can tell me what is object pronoun?
Ma'am, object pronoun show the object in the sentence. Object pronoun.
Yes.
Object pronoun show object in a sentence.
Used as an object in a sentence. It is the part of the predicate.
The object sentence.
Yes. Now, that car is theirs. So, theirs. So, theirs is possessive pronoun.
Ma'am, possessive
Yes. We told them about the plan of yours.
Ma'am, we is subject, them is object, your is possessive. And your is possessive pronoun and them is object pronoun.
Very good. So, is subject pronoun.
Them is object pronoun. Ma'am, is pronoun. Is best pronoun them.
Okay.
We object. Pronoun, them is object. Pronoun.
Beta, stop.
Is
If one child has answered, there is no need to answer again. One child has answered now. Why are you repeating then, beta? We is subject pronoun, them is object pronoun, yours is possessive pronoun. Children, behave yourself. You all are good children. Please behave like good one. Is that bag mine? So here.
then mine possessive pronoun. Then mine is a possessive pronoun.
Now again.
Mine is possessive pronoun.
Beta, if one child has answered and it is correct, so don't need to repeat. Possessive pronoun. Mine, possessive pronoun. He is a rich man. That hotel is his. He is a rich man.
Ma'am, he is subject pronoun and his possessive pronoun.
His possessive.
Ma'am, he is possessive.
He is a subject pronoun.
This is possessive pronoun.
And
This is possessive pronoun. And his is a possessive pronoun.
Is possessive pronoun because it is showing possession. So that's why it is a possessive pronoun. Okay. I brought this gift for you.
You object pronoun. Ma'am, who subject pronoun? You object pronoun. You subject. You object pronoun.
Yes, you is object pronoun.
Object pronoun.
Very good. Now we'll do second exercise. Use pronouns in place of the underlined words and rewrite these sentences. See, so जो underline है उसकी जगह आप वो nouns है, repeated nouns है. So in place of repeated nouns, what are you going to do? You'll write pronouns. So meet Sagar. So you'll copy down meet Sagar.
And he.
Sagar is a singer. So you'll write he is a singer. I am a fan of Sagar. So I am a fan of him. I'm a fan of
Him.
Okay. Now this is my cousin Monica. Monica is an athlete. All these medals and trophies are Monica's. We are proud of Monica. So this is my cousin Monica. She, not she is an athlete. All these medals and trophies are hers. Possession, possessive pronoun, are hers. We are proud of her.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the Teams has been hanged in my phone. Can I rejoin the class?
Yes, beta. These are bananas. Now, it's the thing. Bananas plural. What are you going to write? They are good for health. They are good for health. health. I eat them. I eat them daily. Now don't tease my dog. Don't tease my dog. It may bite you. It may bite you. Don't blame it later. Again it will come because दोनों cases में it ही use होता है, subject or object. So it may bite you, don't blame it later. Clear? Yes, ma'am. This much is clear? Now next is Rishu and I are friends. So you'll write Rishu and I are friends. Rishu and I play chess very well. So instead of again writing Rishu and I, what are you going to write? We. Very good. We play chess very well. No one can beat. Very good. Us in chess. Very good. My uncle has just bought a new car. That car is my uncle's. So my uncle has just bought a new car. That car
Is mine.
is my uncle's लिखा है ना? So you'll write his. Okay? Clear this much? Yes, ma'am. Okay, wait. Okay, done this much? Yes? Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, I will share the PDF. I'll share the PDF of the work, but children, I am also writing, so you can also write hand in hand. Okay, now fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns and complete the story. Now, what is the name or title of the story? A clever cap seller. A clever cap seller. Very interesting story it is. Once a cap seller was going to a village. Once a cap seller was going to a village to sell caps. He was so tired. He was tired. He was tired, so he sat down under a tree to take rest. I want answers from you people now. Once a cap seller was going to a village to sell caps. He was tired, so he sat down under a tree to take rest. Soon he was fast asleep. Some monkeys lived in that tree. Dash got down. Dash got down. They got down, opened his bag and saw the caps. Dash. They put the caps on their heads and climbed back on the tree. When the cap seller woke up, he found his bag empty. He checked.
Ma'am,
Yes, he checked it again. Not a single cap was in
Ma'am,
because pronouns fill करने हैं आपको in it. Just then he saw the monkeys wearing his cap. He saw the monkeys wearing his caps. The monkeys teased him. Isn't it an interesting story? Then Dash got an idea. Then he got an idea. Dash took off his cap. Took off his cap and threw it. Cap को फेंका ना? Cap is a thing. Threw it towards them. Monkeys की तरफ अपनी cap फेंकी. Because monkeys imitate करते हैं. So the monkeys also imitated the man and threw their caps towards him. The cap seller quickly collected what them quickly collected and went away. Very good. Now, next. Complete this conversation by using suitable pronouns. A is a boy or a girl, whatever, I mean a person. Dash is your coat, isn't it? So what will come?
It is your coat. Ma'am, it.
Isn't it? So the other one to say is?
Ma'am, it's.
No. Yes, anyone? Aisha?
Ma'am, it.
It is?
Ma'am, कौन सा page number?
Fine. Page number 16. Yes,
It
is
mine.
My mom had purchased
It.
for
Me.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Second conversation. Yes, children.
I like to
Dash. Like.
Ma'am,
You have do. I am reading down the sentence. Please. I am reading out the sentences. You please only answer. Dash like to eat pav bhaji.
You.
Ma'am, I like to eat.
I like to eat pav bhaji. Do you like?
Do you like?
Ma'am, no, I like it. Do you like it?
Pav bhaji again. Somebody said pav bhaji. Somebody said pav bhaji. You will not write pav bhaji again. There will be pronouns. Please be quiet.
I'm not it.
Yes, you want me to mute you all?
No, it.
So much of disturbance. You all don't know how to behave during the class. So much of counseling session has been done with you about online etiquettes for online classes. Still you people, you know. Okay. I like to eat pav bhaji. Do you like it? So the reply is no. Dash is so oily. 8. No, it is so oily. I love dhoklas. Okay. My mom makes soft and yummy dhoklas. What will come? Dash just gobble dash up. I just gobble. जो क्लास था ना, तो it कैसे होगा? Them. I just gobble them up. Number 3. Did Dash go to stadium to watch the match? Did you go to stadium to watch the match? Did you? Then reply is no. I could not go because we had some guests. Dash had to stay with Dash. What will come? I had to stay with them. We कहाँ से आ जाएगा बेटा? कहीं पे शो हो रहा है, 2 लोग हैं. I had to stay with them. क्योंकि guests है S, so that means plural. So you'll write them. I had to stay with them. Which of these book is yours? That red book is mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Very good. Dash is riding my bicycle. He. यहाँ पे लिखो, आगे क्या लिखा है? Hers. I thought it is hers. इसका मतलब हम गर्ल को के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So you'll write, she is riding my bicycle. I gave it to her. Oh, I thought it is hers. Okay? Clear? She is riding my bicycle. I gave it to her. Oh, I thought it is hers. Number 6. Papa would dash, drop dash to the school. Yes. Papa, would you drop me to the school? I am late today. So the reply is, dear, I am already late to my office. But I can drop you at the bus stop. Okay? Hey, could Dash lend Dash your dress? Hey, could you lend me your dress? Yes? Could you lend me your dress? I have to attend a party. Yes, of course. Tell Dash. Tell me which one you would like to wear. 8. If Dash want to stay with Dash, if you want to stay with me, if you want to stay with me, you must abide by the rules set by my mother. So replies, I will follow whatever Dash says. She says, because my mother है ना, she says, I respect her as my own mother. I respect her as my own mother. So we have done the back exercises of pronoun. We have done all the back exercises of pronoun. Now children, complete your work. And if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay? Wait. Thank you children.